this video today I will upload on the YouTube as well as in the group. So while writing also, if any part is missed from that video, you can copy. Any part you are not able to listen due to technical or network problem, that also you can see. You will be able to hear also. So now let us start. Up to 4th standard, you have studied the digits up to 7. Then you have studied Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Now in this 5th standard, we have to study the concepts in chapter 1. We start with chapter 1, large numbers, and in this chapter the concepts which is to be studied are: first, Indian place values chart; second, international place value chart; third, rounding of numbers; fourth, place value; fifth, successor; and sixth is predecessor. Now this concept, Indian place value chart, this is related to our Indian system of numeration. International place value chart, this is related to our international system of numeration. Then rounding of numbers, place value we have seen. Successor means after, and predecessor means before. Yes. So let us study this concept.
Manoj, mute yourself.
Whatever you see on the board, you write it. Chapter 1, large numbers, start writing. Yes.
Sir, we have to write.
Yes, start writing that. Start writing this. Chapter 1, large numbers, concepts to be studied.
I write, sir.
First, Indian place value chart.
I will write, sir.
Okay. Don't say in between, the video is recording. So if everybody will say, keep on saying, it will be difficult to hear my voice. Second is international place value chart. Third is rounding of numbers. Fourth is,
Where the board is not clear.
yes, the board is very much clear. See, one thing I would like to suggest you, if you are not able to see the clear board, you keep your phone horizontally. You keep your phone horizontally in your hand. So in your mobile there is setting portrait and auto rotate. So keep the phone on the auto rotate mode, so that when you keep horizontally or landscape, the entire board you will be able to see. Third, rounding of numbers. Fourth is place value. Fifth is successors.
Sir,
Yes. Yes,
we
yes.
have to write all of these international place value chart, rounding of number.
Yes. No, these concepts,
We have to write.
yes, these concepts you have to write. This concept you have to study one by one. So which things you are going to study in this chapter number 1, large number, I had make a summary of that, so that you will be aware which concepts you are going to study in this large number chapter. So first concept will be Indian place value chart. Second will be international place value chart. Third will be rounding of numbers. fourth will be place value, fifth will be successors, and sixth will be predecessors. So try to complete.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Finish writing.
Yes, sir, completed.
So,
Sir, completed.
yes, very good.
Completed.
Though this video I am going to upload, so that even if you miss something, you can see in that video. So with suitable time, I will proceed. So those who are slow writing also, they can write whatever part is missed afterwards by seeing that video. So I think everybody has finished writing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
those who missed or some of the part is remain to write, afterward they can see the video and write, because we have to study one by one this concept. So let us start with first Indian place value chart. Let us start first concept Indian place value chart. Right. Write this Indian alright, Indian place value chart. Indian place who is coming, whose video is coming in between?
To the camera.
Switch off the video. Don't try to represent.
But so whoever is representing, no one should represent.
No one should represent. Try to remember everything has been come in the recorded. And recording while the video should be smooth. If you come in between and interrupt, somebody was नहीं video आएंगे, but somebody was trying to come in between by representing. That should not happen.
What has happened?
Nobody should represent in between. Yes, video will come, but somebody was trying to come represent. Nobody should try to represent anything during the video. No, I am there in the meeting, I am able to hear.
Two seconds.
Wait, see, somebody was trying to represent.
2 seconds. I'll get it right. I'll get 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Wait for.
The mic is off.
Arey, don't be panic, it will come. Somebody was trying to represent in between, that should not happen. And it will come.
But wait, na, for 2 seconds. Wait. Internet is not responding on that. What can I do? It's visible to them. It's visible.
Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. We start with this Indian place value chart.
Is it visible now?
We have studied that Indian place value chart. It has periods. It has periods and places. Periods and places. Yes, we have to make this table. Periods and places. Periods and places. This Indian place value chart start with ones. Start with ones. Then thousands, ones, thousands, then lakhs, light is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lakhs, then we have
Now video is not visible.
No, it's done.
crores.
Sir, now video is not complete.
Okay.
It's good now.
Light is visible?
Sir, it is not visible now. Sir, video is not visible.
Indian place value chart.
Sir, video is not visible. Sir, video is visible. Sir, the video is visible.
Wait,
I
wait.
can see. Sir, it is visible. It is visible.
It is visible.
Sir, you... Sir, it is visible.
Write Indian place value chart. Periods.
Return.
Then we have places. Once this Indian place value chart divides the digits of the number into 4 groups. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Now once we have 3 blocks.
Take it. Take it. Done.
Once we have 3 blocks. Yes, we have ones, we have tens, we have 100. Ones, tens, 100. Then in thousands, there are 2 digits, 1,000 and 10,000. 1,000, 10,000. Lakhs, we have lakhs. There are 2 digits, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores, there are 2 digits, crore and 10 crores. So let us write the number of zeros in each. Number of zeros in each. Let us write the number of zeros in each. This ones, 1, 10 has 1 0, 100, 100, 1,000, how many zeros? 3 zeros. 10,000, 4 zeros. Lakhs, 5 zeros. 10 lakhs, 6 zeros. 6 zeros. Crore, it has 8 zeros. 7 zeros. Crore, it will have 7 zeros. Then 10 crore, it will have 8 zeros. Now this,
Sir, we can write.
yes, you can write. Now this one is one digit. Yes, this is one digit. 10. This is two digit number. 100. This is three digit. Three digit. This is four digit. Then 10,000. This is five digit. This is six digit. This is seven digit. Yes. You have to write the digits. Seven digit. Now this is eight digit. And this is nine digits. So up to fourth standard, you have studied the digits up to 7.
Mute.
Please mute the microphone. Now we study crore. Now crore is 8 digit number. Crore is 8 digit number having 7 zeros. 10 crore, it is 9 digit number having 8 zeros. Indian place value chart. This divides the digits of the number into four groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Then for ones, there are three digits. We put comma. Then thousands, there are two digits. We put comma. Lakhs, there are two digits. We put comma. Crores, there are two digits and we put comma. So this Indian place value chart, this divide the digits of the number into four groups: crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. Is it clear? Students?
Deepika, mute the video. Deepika, mute the voice of yours.
Yes, mute the microphone. You have to mute the microphone.
Krisha Manya, mute your voice.
Have you finished this writing?
Or mute the voice.
Finish the
Krisha
writing?
Manya, mute the
Students?
voice. बोले mute your
This, see here, this video I am going to upload. So please don't say in between if it is not required. Mute the microphone. When I am asking something, you just give the answer and then mute the microphone. Indian place value chart. This divides the digits of the number into four groups. Ones, there are three digits. Thousands, there are two digits. Lakhs, two digits. Crores, two digits. Finish this writing? Yes?
Yes.
So we can start next. International place value chart. International place value chart. International place value chart. For larger number of digits, 8 digits, 9 digits, right? International international place value chart. International place value chart. We have to make use of this chart in solving the problem based on this. So first we will see what is international place value chart and Indian place value chart. Now we will see international place value chart. There are periods.
Can't see the board.
Yes.
Can't see the board. Sir, your point is blurred.
Wait.
See the board. The board is not clear. Can't see the board.
It is very.
Yes, sir, blur. I can't
See, meanwhile I am speaking also. So by listening also, if you write, meanwhile the board will come clear. See here, international place value chart. Now the board is coming clear.
No, sir.
Now wait.
No.
Some internet problem. Now it is very much clear. I am able to see. International place value chart. Yes, right. Now places. International place value chart.
Sir.
We have periods and places. Make this table. This international place value chart divide the digits of the number into three groups. Ones, then thousands, and then millions. Ones, thousands, and then millions. International place value chart divides the digits of the number into three groups, whereas Indian place value chart divides the digits of the number into four groups. Now in ones we have ones,
Sir, I cannot see the board clearly.
ones, tens, 100, then yes, 1,000, then we have 10,000,
Not board clearly.
we have 1,000,
Sir, now I can
10,000,
see.
yes, then 100,000, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Similarly in millions, we have millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. We have 100 millions. So this international place value chart divide the digits of the number into three groups: ones, thousands, millions. And in each we have three digits. Once we have 1, 2, 3 digits, put the comma. 1,000, 1, 2, 3 digits, put the comma. Millions, 1, 2, 3 digits, put the comma. So in international place value chart, while writing the number or expressing the number, from right we put the comma after every 3 digits. Every 3 digits we put the comma. Let us write number of zeros. Ones, 1.
Sir, in 1,000, can no 1,000.
Yes. Wait.
Sir, that is
Yes.
can not 1,000.
This is ones, tens, 100. This is 1,000. 1,000 TH.
Okay, sir.
Yes, TH 1,000.
Yes, sir.
10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Now we write 0 once. We write ones, 1, 10, 10, 100, 100, 1,000, 100, 10,000, 4 zeros, 100,000, 5 zeros, then 6 zeros, million, 6 zeros, 10 millions,
Sir, I can't.
7 zero, 100 millions, 8 zeros.
Yes.
It clear? So international place value chart divides the digits of the number into three groups.
Mute your voice. Deepika Manya, please mute your voice.
Yes. Now let us take the example. Let us take the example. Let us take the example. Yes. Let us take the example of the number. Example of the number 543, comma 296 123.
So we have to.
Yes.
So we have to write example.
This example you have to write 543 296 123. This is the number given. This is the 9-digit number is given. The 9-digit number is given. Can you identify it is given in which system of numeration? Indian system of numeration or international system of numeration? Yes.
International system.
International, yes, international system of numeration, because the digits of the number, yes, the digits of the number are divided into three groups. One group, ones, this is 1,000, and this is millions. So if every 3 digit there is comma. After every 3 digit there is comma, that means this is international system of numeration. Now let us write this number in the international place value chart. Let us write this number in the international place value chart. So you will write 3. Where you will write 3? Yes. You will write 3 at the ones, then tens, then 100, 1, then 6, 9, this is 2, and there we write 3, 4, 5. So this is my million, this is 1,000, and this is ones. Now express how we'll read this number. How we'll read this number? Where is 5 at which position? See, 5 is at 100 million. 5 is at 100 million. So this we read as 543 million. 543 million. Then this is 296. They are at 1,000 position. So 2 is at 100,000. So this we read as 296,000. And this is 1, 2, 3. 1 is at 100 position. So this is 123. So this number we read as 543 millions 296,000 123 or 123. So we use this international place value chart in expressing the larger number of 8 digits, 9 digits. Is it clear? Students, it is clear. Phi is at which position? Phi is at, yes. Phi is at 100 million. So this we read as, where are 543? They are in millions column. 543, they are in millions. So this we, and phi is at 100 million position. So this we read as 543 millions. 296, they are in thousands, and 2 is at 100,000. So this we read as 296 thousands. 1, 2, 3. This is 123. So this international place value chart and Indian place value chart, you have to keep in the mind that Indian place value chart divide the digits of the number into 4 groups, whereas international place value chart divide the digits of the number into 3 groups: ones, thousands, millions. There in international place value chart. Let us take another example. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
next period, we will solve the problem based on Indian system place value chart and international place value chart. Is it clear? So both this Indian and international place value chart you